Welcome to this class. Today we'll have a question on binary. This question was gotten from a past question, a competition precisely. So let's find the solution. Solution to this question. We have evaluate this, leaving your answer in binary form. How did you evaluate this particular thing? First of all, to make it easier for you, convert this particular thing to base 10. Find the square root and convert it back to binary. So let's convert this to base what? To base 10, which will have 1 times the base. What's the base? 2 plus. Let me even teach you. I believe that you are coming across this video and you have, or you already have a knowledge in binary. I will make it 1 times 2, 1 times 2, and 1 times 2. Why? Well, how many digits? How many non-zero do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3. So this is 1 times 2, this 1 times 2, and this 1 times 2. Then how do you know the powers? This is raised to power 1, raised to power 2, 3, 4, 5, raised to power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be raised to power 6. This is out. Then this is raised to power 4. This is out. This is out. This is out. And this is raised to power what? 0. So now, 2 raised to power 6 will give us what? It will give us 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is what? 4 times 2. Altogether, you should give us 64 though. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2. 8 times 2 is what? 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. 2 times 2 is 64. So this will give us 64 plus 2 raised to the power 4. 2 raised to the power 4 will give us 16. This is a 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So we have 16 plus any number raised to the power 0 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So now if you add these two numbers, it will give us 80. 80 plus 1 will give us 81. Then remember that it is square root. So square root of this is base 10, and base 10 is the actual number you know. So square root of this will give us what? 9. You understand? So we've gotten 9. Convert it back to binary. Binary means in base 2. Expressed in base 2. I believe they have taught you how to convert to base 2. You divide with that base. We are converting this to. So this is 9 divided by 2. 2 divided this will give us 4, remainder 1. 2 divided this will give us 2, remainder 0. 2 divided this will give us 1, remainder what? 0. And 2 divided this will give us 0, remainder 1. Count from down upward. You have 1, 0, 0, 1. Base what? Base 2. And this is the answer to the question. I love you guys. Bye.